Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download JP Morgan application on your iOS device. So let's get started with the video right away. First of all, tap open your App Store and go to the search box and type in JP Morgan and search. Look for this application that says JP Morgan Mobile and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app right away. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed. The JP Mobile Banking application allows you to monitor and manage your investment, banking, and credit accounts in one place. You can track investments and market performance, move money between accounts, and make payments, and much more. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed. Once you are done with the download process, tap on the Open button and there you have successfully downloaded JP Morgan mobile application. Now you can go ahead and sign up for a new account or sign into your existing account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.